Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to go over the Golden Companion 4-wheel mobility scooter. This is model number GC440. This is a full-size mobility scooter, can support 400 pounds of weight. It has a battery range of up to 19 miles. Top speed is 5 miles per hour. The Companion 4-wheel has been around for quite some time, but there's been some upgraded features and designs to the scooter. It also has a front and rear suspension, and it has large wheels, and I believe these wheels are 13 inches. So we're going to go into it and show you more about the Companion 4-wheel scooter. Now, as far as one of the upgraded features is the seat. So it's a deluxe stadium style seat, and it's a high back stadium style seat. So it has more padding. It has a nice stitching design as well. Now, at the beginning of the video, when I started, you'll notice it will swivel to the side. And this lever right here, if I pull this up, this allows you to swivel to the side for easy transfers in and out of the seat. It's also great if you're pulling up to like a dinner table and you want to sit there and eat, you just swivel it to the side. Now, on the other side of the seats, I'm sorry, it's on this, still on the same side, but there's another lever pretty close, and this is a seat slider. So you can slide the seat forward or backwards to get to a comfortable driving position. Also on the seat, we have these knobs here, and these will adjust the width between the armrests to get to that comfortable driving position for you. You can also remove them if you wanted to. Armrests are also height adjustable. You can adjust it right here. And I believe this goes into, there's different holes. Yeah, well, there's not holes, but whenever you get to that comfortable position, you just lock it right into place by screwing this in. Now, we also have on the back of the seat is an accessory hitch here, so you can add different accessories. You can go to our product page to see what's available, but a lot of people like to add a large rear basket to the back. We also have a lighting package. So these are your tail lights. I'll turn on the tail lights so you can see how they light up. We'll show you the headlights here in a second. These are just reflectors. You got anti-tip wheels here on the back. They just prevent you from tipping backwards when you're going up a steep incline. You'll likely never use these because you're probably not going to go up an incline steep enough to utilize these, but you have them for added peace of mind. Now, this right here is your freewheel lever. That's common on pretty much all mobility scooters. Right now you can see it's pressed forward and it's into the engage mode or drive mode. So right now the electromagnetic brakes on the scooter are engaged. So when I accelerate this and let off the throttle, the brakes will automatically engage to stop the scooter. Now, if I turn the scooter off, which I just did, you didn't see that, but if I press this back, it disengages the freewheel lever. So now it puts it into neutral. So if you ran out of battery life, that's how you would push it to your destination to charge it. Now, if I turn this on, I'm not going to do it right now, but if I turn this on, it's going to beep, and that's because it's in freewheel. You can't operate the scooter in freewheel. You have to press it back forward into this engage mode or drive mode. Now, I mentioned it has a front and rear suspension. I don't know if you can see that. The springs here. Yeah, so you got a spring right here, one behind each wheel, and it's also adjustable. So you can adjust the firmness or how loose you want the springs to be. On the back, you can also do it on the front. The tires are also flat free tires. They have a nice tread on them, so you can definitely use this on different types of terrain. And as far as the measurement, at the beginning of the video I said 13 inches, but it looks like it's more like 11 inches. But these are nice beefy tires. Riding this in the grass is no problem. Got a pretty good ground clearance too, right around 5 inches. As far as the measurements on the seat, we'll go over them real quick. Seat width looking like 18.5 inches, and seat depth, we got 18. Now remember, you can adjust the seat, the armrest, the width between the armrests. So if you need more of a seating area, you can do that. Now onto the tiller. This is also a new upgraded design. So we have this like digital display here. You got your battery life. It's also telling you we're at 40% battery life, and it's showing you what it is here. That's your voltage currently on the battery. You have your speed control here. Here's your set of keys that you get with it. You got a horn. It's on both sides, and that's your headlight. So I'll show you the headlight on the front. Kind of hard to see in the daytime, but you do have some nighttime visibility here. Also on the tiller, we've got 2 built-in cup holders. We have, this is your charging port, sorry, where you charge the batteries. And then this, oh, I think I know, this is actually the elevating seat, I believe. So there's an optional elevating seat, but it looks like it's disengaged on this right now. So this is optional, but you can elevate the seat. I think it's about 3 or 4 inches. You also have a USB charging port here. Charge your cell phone while you're riding the scooter. And then the tiller is adjustable in angle. You can adjust it by pulling this lever here. So I can bring it towards me or away from me. And when I let go of it, it's going to lock that into place. Now on the floorboard, a lot of people might ride with their feet here, but you can see there's some padding here as well. So you can ride the scooter with your feet up here. It's built to have, you can put your feet where the wheel well is. It's no problem to do that. A lot of people do ride it this way. This is probably how I would ride it, because I'm a tall 6'4" in height, well under the weight capacity. But just to give you an idea, this is what I look like sitting on this, and I do have the seat slid all the way back as well. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email. So then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. Also, under this floor pad is a pretty cool feature. If I pull this up, this has diagnostic codes and some safety tips here. So it tells you how to do some simple troubleshooting, which is built in. So nice feature to have that. And they just snap right into place when you put it back on. So if you ever had this beeping, you know, different beeps mean different things. So if this was beeping, you know, so many times, you can pull this up and to figure out what the issue is. So you can quickly resolve simple issues like that. We also have a large front basket on here. I can pull it right off, take it with you to the farmer's market. And then on the front, we got spring suspension here on the front, which is also adjustable. You can adjust how firm or how loose you want that. Looks like it's a little looser on the front. Yeah, it's a little looser on the front. I think it's a little stiffer on the back, but again, you can adjust those. You also get a set of mirrors, come standard. These are adjustable. And I believe I've covered everything on the scooter. We're gonna take it for a little spin. And show you how it performs.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
The scooter will definitely work well in grass. So if you need to take this to, your kid's soccer game, as an example, no problem to ride this in the grass. It offers a really smooth ride as well, and I think one of the things that makes this scooter great too is that it's full size. It's not too big to where it's hard to find a way to transport it. So if you give us a call, if you're looking for a lift for this, and we would need to know the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and then we can see if we have a lift that's compatible for you if you wanted to purchase the scooter. And we would do that for any scooter. So if you were interested in different ones, that's how the process would work. And we need that information to ensure that we have something compatible that would work for you specifically. So if you have any questions about the companion four-wheel scooter, give us a call. We're open every day. Phone number is 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. And this really is an awesome scooter. So I think if you purchase this, you're definitely going to like it. Have a great day.